trading is all about repetition. And repetition, when I say repetition, I mean you need to repeat the things that are working. And what works are strategies. Strategies that works are what will make you profitable in trading. And if you have found a strategy that works, you need to do your best to try to repeat. And what makes up strategies are patterns in the market that are going to be repeating themselves every single day. So you need to find some patterns that works, and you need to convert them into your strategy, and then you need to try your best to repeat them every single day in the chart. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a strategy that I use to make thousands of dollars in the binary options market. And I'm very happy to share this strategy with you so you can learn and also apply when you decide to trade. So this is a consolidation strategy, and I'm going to be talking about how to trade a retest after a consolidation has passed. And I'm doing this video because of what a subscriber asked me. He actually said I should do a video of how a retest should look like. I have made it clear over time that I do not wait for retest, but just for the benefit of those who do want to be waiting for retest, in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do. I'll be very honest with you that if you are able to wait for the retests are the best time to trade it, but the sad thing is it just doesn't happen most of the times. Sometimes you don't just have the retest. So that is why I do not wait. I just want to take my trade if I have a breakout. But if you have the patience to be able to wait for the retest, I can assure you that you are going to be having 85 to 80% chances of always winning your trades if you are having or waiting for those retests. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So I'm going to be showing you this example on the Australia dollar, US dollar, as you can see over here, and I will be analyzing the 1 minute time frame, as you can also see here. So this is a trade that I placed in the past, and this is an example of what a consolidation look like. If you are here for the first time and you don't know what it means, consolidation phase is a phase in the market where price is moving in a straight line. That means there is no decision. It is a phase of indecision in the market. That means the buyers are not in charge, the sellers are not in charge, and they are just trying to brag who should move the price further. That is the phase of a consolidation. Now you can see that over here, the overall trend is a downtrend, but a downtrend we are supposed to be having sometimes when the price should rest, which means if a price runs, it needs to rest. Now the rest phase in the downtrend can either be a minor uptrend or it is going to be a range, which means the price may be a minor uptrend or it's going to be moving in a straight line. Now when the price moves in a straight line, that is what we refer to as a consolidation. So you can see that when the price fell from this high, you see the price, it was an uptrend for some time. You see these are higher low swings, and these higher low swings got broken around here, and then the price starts to be a downtrend. And you can see that on this level, this is a retracement phase that you see a minor uptrend, because you see that on the lower scale we are having this is a low, high, this is a low, this is a high, higher low, higher high, and this is a higher low. And then this was a structure that the price broke, and then the price fell down strongly and then created this new low, as you can see. And if we are going to be having a minor uptrend again in this retracement phase, we need to be having something similar to this, but it didn't happen. Instead, we were having the price move in a straight line, as you can see here. So having said that, this is how a consolidation phase should look like, because in a consolidation phase we are going to be having equal lows and equal highs, and the price will be bouncing around the same levels consecutively. So you can see that if I'm going to analyze this market structure, you can see that this is a low, right? So now this is a high. The price came down and created another equal low like this, and then it we're just moving around the same level again, and then you see that this is another high equal to this previous high, and then it came down again and created a new equal low, the same with this area, and this is another equal high. So if you can spot a consolidation phase like this in the market, you are going to be in profit at least 80% of the time, because most times when the price breaks these types of areas, the price tends to fall down very, very strongly. So when you spot this consolidation phase like this, the next thing you want to do is to draw your key levels. And we don't use trend line when we are drawing key levels in a consolidation phase. What we do draw are horizontal levels, which means we're going to draw a straight line connecting all the highs together, like I did over here. So I'm going to make this white, and I'll make it bold as well. So you can see that we connected all these highs together, and this is how it should look like. To have a better result, I will recommend that you always draw your zones. Drawing your zone will increase your chances of having the best accuracy when you are drawing your levels in a ranging market. So you can also see that all the equal highs has been connected together, as you can see. And also I also draw a horizontal level on the support level, connecting all the lows together as well. So this is exactly how it should look like. So these were all the lows you can see, and these were all the highs. Now after this, the next thing you want to do is to wait for a breakout. Now the breakout will either be from the support level, which means it may break below, or it may break on the resistance level, which means it may break above this level. Now the breakage is going to be a candle, one single candle closing. At the end of the candle, the price should close above this resistance level. That is what I mean by a breakout. And on the support level, the price should close, which means this candle should close below this horizontal level on the support level. So if you have the price close above this, either the support level or the resistance level, that is what I refer to as the breakout. Now, you may be asking, which side of the market is most favorably the price is going to break? Now, if you're having a downtrend like this, the price is more likely going to break on the support level, which means it may break below, because the overall trend is a downtrend. But that doesn't mean it cannot also break on the support level, on the resistance level. It may also do that. If it breaks on this resistance level, it will be a sign that the price action has changed and the price will not be going in the opposite direction, which means it may be a change of trend. Now, if you see, most times when the price breaks above, it will mean that these are double bottom patterns, and the price will now be moving in the opposite direction. But if you ask me, I would say that you should place your trade each time it breaks below, because if it breaks below, it is in favor of the original major trend, which will increase your chances of winning your trade. But again, I want you to understand something. You see that this breakout is too strong, and you don't want to be placing your trade if you have this type of breakout, because the candle is way too long. Now, if you place your trade over here, you see that the price consolidated over here, and you may have lost your trade. Now, the candle shouldn't be that much. It shouldn't be long like this very one. This is too much of a breakout, and this is, for me, will be an invalid trade. Now, having said that, you will be asking, how does a retracement or how does a breakout retest look like? Now, the price broke, you see below, and then the price came down, created this new low, and the price retested this level again. Now, this was a support level that was this were the level that the price has respected over time in the past, 3 times or more in the past, and then the price fell down and came back to retest this level. The retests are going to be the moment when the price fell, and then it's going to retest back to the support level, and this time it's going to use it as a resistance. So you saw that the price fell down, rose back, and used this level as a resistance again. Now the question is, how do you now enter a trade if you have the price retesting back to the breakout zone and using it as resistance? Now you want to wait for what we call the weaknesses. Now you are going to be having all these type of candles, which means the momentum of the price is going to drop down. The volume of the market or the volume of the candles is going to fall down very strongly, and then you are going to be seeing small candles like this on the resistance levels. And then when you find this type of small candles, the next you are going to be waiting for is a strong seller's entry, which means you are going to be having a strong breakout candle in favor of the sellers, which should be strong like this. So if I were here, I would place my trade on this candle, because you can see that this is a strong candle that broke above these whole weaknesses, which is a sign that the sellers are now present in the market and the price should be falling down. So these are the type of weaknesses you are going to find on the resistance level, which used to be a support in the past. Now the price fell down, it rose again and used this resistance level, this support level, now using it as resistance again. So what I'll be waiting for is the weaknesses which are present over here. You can see that there was a strong fight over here as well, and you can see that when the price broke this zone over here, the price closed below these strong rejections we're having, and this was the strong entry from the sellers, and the price fell down very strongly. So this is how I trade a retest when I'm trading a consolidation phase breakout. I hope I'm able to explain everything to the best of your understanding. If you have any questions, do well to drop them on the comment section. I'm very free and good at replying to comments on the comment section. So if you're here for the first time and you find some value in this video, do well to give this video a thumbs up. Just so this video can reach out to more people like you who may be interested in content like this. And if you're here for the first time, this is what we do here. We do trade live, and if I am not trading live, I am explaining my strategy just as I have just done. So if you find interest in content like this and you don't want to see them again in the future, you should consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live trading sessions. So on this note, I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you again next time. Before you go, do well to also check other videos so you can also learn and apply. So let's see you again next time. Make sure you keep trading, make sure you keep working hard, and have a good day.